Our third activity will be side plank. The side plank challenges your stability and improves core strength by working the muscles along the side of your body. Lie on your left side, raising yourself onto left forearm. Place your left shoulder directly above your elbow. Keep your body aligned. Rest your right arm along the side of your body. Tighten your abdominal muscle and hold. Repeat on the other side. Side plank exercise. Go up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Down, relax. For other variation, you can spread your feet on the floor for more relaxing or comfortable position. And this is side plank exercise.